everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Sometimes you need to saute something, sometimes you need to sear something, sometimes you need to saute something for a little while, then simmer after you add in other things, and then brown something else entirely without whipping out a whole new pan. So here you go, the Cosori Multi Cooker, capable of cooking, as you might have guessed, multiple things in multiple ways. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to come to you with some recipes, some family favorite recipes, and I'm going to bring them to you in my new multi-cooker by Cosori. Now Cosori reached out to me to take a look at this product, and I have not even used this yet, but I am loving it so far. Now this is the premium multi-cooker, and I'm going to share with you what it comes with. It comes with a lid so you can take a peek at what you are cooking. It comes with an inner pot where the magic happens from simmering to sauteing your foods. This beautiful housing here has great quality, and I love the handles, the two handles for easy lifting. It also has a steam rack where you can sit food atop a spa of steam. Alright, and lastly, it comes with a cookbook where you can find many recipes to enjoy, and I can't wait to try some of these in this book here. So right now I'm going to put the seal on the lid, and then I will share with you what I am preparing for my family today. Alright guys, what I'm going to prepare today is some beef stew. I'm going to have some potatoes here that I will wash up while my beef stew is cooking, and I will put them in later. I'm also going to do some broccoli with some carrots. I have a few seasonings here, which is my garlic salt or garlic powder, salt and pepper. I have some onion right there. I have some brown gravy mix, and I have my cornstarch over there. So right now I'm gonna wash my beef stew, and I'm gonna place it in my multi-cooker. Now we are ready to get our cooking done here. Now I have it plugged in, and I'm gonna set my multi-cooker to manual. It has a lot of settings here. It has manual, rice, yogurt, boil, stove to brown, simmer, saute, steam, low, and then the slow cooker is medium, high, the oven is roast and bake. So right now I'm going to move it to the brown setting because I want to brown my beef stew. On this side you can set the temp. You have a start and cancel, you have a delayed timer, and you have a keep warm button. Okay, but right now I'm gonna put my beef stew in there, and we're gonna get to cooking. It's browning nicely. Love that. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells so good. So good. With just salt, pepper, onions, and garlic seasoning. This is almost browned. So next I will slow the cooking process down, and I will add my gravy mix and a little cornstarch. I will prepare my potatoes, wash them and cut them up and prepare them and place them on the rack. All right, I won't mix it in. And then later on I will add my broccoli and my carrots, because that will take no time to cook. I just want the steam to hit them. And then my dinner will be done. So right now, since my beef stew has browned already, I'm gonna drop the temp down to a slow cooker. As you can see there, I have it on low on the slow cooker temp. I'm gonna bring that temperature down because I'm gonna let this simmer all day long as if I was cooking in a slow cooker or a crock pot. All right, now I'm gonna add my brown gravy mix. I have 2 packs because I added 2 packs of ground beef. I'm gonna stir that in. Later on, I will add a couple of teaspoons of cornstarch with some water to thicken up the gravy in here. Also, I must add, do not use metal utensils in your multi-cooker. This smells so good already. And actually, guys, I could eat this right now if I wanted to. That's how it looks so far. Smells delicious. Okay, before I add my potatoes in, and I've already mixed this up, I added 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to some water, stirring it first before I add it to my multi-cooker. I do not add my cornstarch directly in there. I like to add it to a little liquid because I don't want lumps in my dish. I'm gonna add that throughout there. I'm gonna mix that in. Add a little bit of more water in here. You can add beef broth if you want. That will be fine. It's entirely up to you. I just use water. Let you peek in there, let you see what's going on in there. All of that goodness. And this is enough for 4. 1 female and 3 male. I prepared my potatoes here, and no, all of these will not be going in, but I decided to go on and prepare what I had. I added salt, pepper, garlic salt, parsley, and a little olive oil. All right, that's it. That's good enough. I'm gonna place this rack inside here on top, just like that. And I'm gonna place these potatoes to one side, and I'm gonna leave the other side bare because my broccoli will be going in there later to cook, my broccoli and my carrots. Like I said, this is enough for a couple of meals these potatoes here. For another meal anyway. Stack this up because I do have men. Try to spread that out a little bit so it can cook little ways there. And then that side there I will save for my broccoli and my carrots, okay? And the rest of these potatoes will go in the fridge. All right guys, so let you take a peek also in here. I have my potatoes in here and my broccoli and carrots, and I put a few dollops of butter on my broccoli and my carrots. Now I'm gonna let that cook up, and my dinner is basically done. Smells so good. Now all of this is steaming the potatoes with the broccoli and the carrots. It has the timer here that's going here, it's setting. Once it's done, it will shut off. I will come back in 30 minutes and I'll keep it warm. I'll put it on the keep it warm setting, and my dinner is done. Now at your command, with the press of a button, you have 12 microprocessor controlled programs, which means lots of one touch and go masterpieces, which is your food guide. Each program consistently monitors and adjusts every second of the cooking process. This multi-cooker is very detail oriented. What I love about this, it's faster than takeout. I am loving this multi-cooker, and this is gonna help me tremendously by cooking more in my home versus eating out. Dinner is served. Guys, my dinner was delicious. My family enjoyed it, and oh yes, I am loving this Cosori Multi Cooker. Information about this product and the company will be listed in my description box down below. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be bringing you more family friendly recipes in my multi-cooker, as well as other fall-like recipes as well. So stay tuned. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And when you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can also be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.